What's happening? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and today I'm going to be trying to do a test to see if I can make any boost on my homemade 2-valve turbo kit. I'm trying to get this thing out of the shop, get it done, just get it out of here. I just want it to be a street car, air conditioning, turbo, whatever horsepower. I don't really, just a little bit of turbo fun. I want to see if it makes boost. I don't know what it's going to do. I got a little boost gauge hooked up to it. I welded in a blow-off valve on the intercooler piping. So we got the little tile blow-off valve. We got our wastegate and all our vacuum lines. I'll show you that in a second. I'll show you why I'm trying to get this car out of the garage. It needs a wash for one thing. Crawling over the car with all the dirt and stuff on it's probably scratching it. So I need to get it out of here, and I want to start working on something else. I want this thing to be pretty much completely done. Just easy things that I can, do out of my shop. So this is what I'm trying to do. I got this little kit right here. If anybody knows what this is the UPR Pro kit with the, anti-roller sway thingy. So I figure if I can get this car out, I got some wheels for this. If anybody's got just the Cobra fronts, I need the Cobra fronts. Got Cobra rears, maybe I'll just sell them. I'm gonna hook up this little boost gauge here. I got my vacuum line going to the wastegate, to the blow-off valve, and then I got this line going from the wastegate down there to the turbo. It's not all really permanent. I just want to make sure that I actually have boost before I do anything else. Okay, so that boost gauge is pretty messed up. I tested it with a leak down thing, and then I put vacuum to it and tested the vacuum part of it. The boost gauge is really messed up. So if I had to guess with how messed up that boost gauge is, I got it used. I didn't know nothing about it. I'd say the car is making about 3 to 4 pounds right now, the way the needle was moving compared to when I did the test on the boost gauge. So there might be a few boost leaks here and there. I still don't got a clamp on one of the pipes. So there's some things to go over, but right now it's probably making maybe 3 to 4 pounds of boost at 3,000 RPM. So we'll say 3.5 pounds of boost at 3,000 RPMs, because with the car in neutral, I have it tuned to where it won't rev over 3,000 or 3,500. So it's not gonna rev any higher unless I put it in drive. But that tells me what I need to know. There's just a few things to button up. There is one small oil leak, maybe the gasket. Maybe I need to put some RTV something on the dash 10 oil drain. It's leaking from the turbo at the fitting, or at the bulkhead where the thing is. Maybe I need to go directly into it. So maybe that's something I need to do. So it's making boost. So that's what I wanted to see. And I got fans going on in here. It's very loud. There's a lot of carbon dioxide. It smells like turpentine in the car. I did switch the fuel when I put the new Walbro 450 in there, but it maybe fuel in the injectors, and it kind of smells crappy. It's all fogged up. I have these sound deadening panels at the roof, so the smoke doesn't really come out. And got a big old fan, and turn the air conditioners off for a second. So this Cobra, like I said, is down the road. But the old burnt Stang, Burnty right here, is I just made a video about that with its Dodge Caravan, maybe it's Jeep, Dodge Caravan, Jeep, same thing. Wheels is next on the list. So everything's broken. My tractor, the fuel pump, those things are like $1,000. So There it is. She is making boost with my homemade turbo kit. You can watch all my other videos. Let me shut this fan off. Kind of have things rigged in there for now. But like I said, this boost gauge is not actually working. But it was showing, it was showing around 4 to 5 pounds. So there it is. All flux core welded. Kind of looks like crap. I did TIG weld my blow-off valve. I guess I can get under there and show you that. There is my blow-off valve. I TIG welded that in, then it goes up right there. I did vacuum test this thing. It's a 10-pound spring, so it's not going to open until you get around 10 pounds. It cracks open around 6. But man, it is so close. So just some buttoning up. I put all the bracing, everything's in there. I do need to adjust my toe in with the UPRK member. I don't know, has anybody had this problem where the car toes out? It's towed out on both sides with the UPRK member. Strange engineering shocks with the Viking coilovers. So gotta do that, bump steer kit. This, like I said, this is just kind of a street deal. I am gonna clean it up. I do got new injectors right here. These injectors I'm gonna put in there, and yeah, so I didn't want to switch the injectors and wash out the cylinders or anything. The vehicle does break up a lot on cold start. This is a 2005 Mustang Mach with the VMP adapter and just a homemade turbo kit. I know it needs a different turbo. With a different turbo, I can move this pipe to here, and then I can put the battery back where it goes. I can put the coolant expansion tank back where it goes, and you can kind of see down in there. There's my wastegate. The reason I had to do this is because of my wastegate placement. So I'm probably going to redo the section that comes up into the car eventually, but for now I just wanted to get it drivable. It does have a coolant tank there. I need to build a bracket and put my standoffs for the power and hook up the gauges, but that's pretty much it. And right here, like I said, I didn't have a clamp. There's a clamp missing here. Kind of, you know, needs to be adjusted and kind of fit a little better, and I probably won't have any boost leaks. Maybe put some clamps on here for boost leaks, but that's kind of how I got it. Vacuum port goes, I think, I'm not really too sure, but this right here is tees off. I just put a brass tees off. That goes to the blow-off valve, and then I tapped the turbo, and this normally doesn't. And then from the wastegate to the turbo kind of plugs in there. Everything's kind of just mocked up right now. Not really, you know, just getting bugs worked out and making sure I got things hooked up right, and I just kind of teed that into there for now. So it's pretty hot. I got things to do around the house. I just wanted to show you guys that yes, I'm making progress. It's making a little bit of boost, a few pounds of boost. I think around 6,000 RPMs is probably gonna make, I don't know, 10 pounds maybe. I was making 4 to 5 pounds just now. So at 3,000 RPMs, I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know. It's just a lot of, now is when I'm gonna work out all the bugs and figure out all that stuff. It's time to get that toe in on them tires and set it on the ground and start working out the bugs. But I really want to pull that other car in here because I'm doing the LS swap. Like I said, I got that UPR suspension over there. I want to start getting the suspension in, this car stripped, order a cage, do all that stuff. I don't know timing on anything, depends on cash flow. So maybe if I hit that 1,000 subscribers this week, start getting paid. So anyways, I'm Dustin. This is Dustin's Customs. I'm gonna get out of here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and hopefully we start working out the bugs in this very soon. I'll see you later. Bye.
Remember those days, those nails, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake games, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.